An extremely potent drug in our area has health officials worried for the safety of the community, especially emergency responders.
And News 8's Madeline O'Neill was at a training session in Onalaska for professionals on how to deal with synthetic opioids like carfentanyl.
Martha and Mike, carfentanyl is about 10,000 times as potent as morphine, and as little as a grain of salt's worth can kill you. Medical officials say it's leading to more overdoses that are harder to treat, and it also poses a significant danger for responders trying to help those who have overdosed.
It's pretty intense.
As a firefighter paramedic,
Especially now that the drugs have become so much more potent.
Tony Hilton responds to drug overdoses.
Many times.
He's brought people back to life with the overdose reversing drug naloxone. But now that more potent opioids such as carfentanyl are more common,
Things change so much, especially in EMS.
he can't help but worry for his own safety and the safety of his crew.
It's in the back of your mind, but you try not to think about it too much. You keep in mind the scene safety and making sure that what you're doing is safe.
It's out there. It's in our area.
Western Wisconsin Healthcare Coalition Coordinator Bob Ritger organized carfentanyl awareness training for professionals.
So we can all go home after a day of work.
After it's become apparent synthetic opioids are a problem in the area that's not going away.
If they don't take care of themselves and be safe about it, that there's serious consequences.
They've come to the point now where you could actually overdose coming in inadvertently with on contact with these drugs. They're so potent.
Dr. Chris Eberlein explains some synthetic opioids can be absorbed through the skin, causing an overdose.
It's such a small amount.
So he's training professionals, including police and firefighters, on safety precautions.
The statistics might be a little
including being aware of their surroundings and carrying a naloxone to treat their colleagues just in case.
You never know what is around the corner. It's important to stay up to date on everything and know what's in the area.
Synthetic opioids can cause overdoses in police canines as well, but today's training went over how naloxone also works for dogs. And because carfentanyl is so potent, Eberlein says, it's shipped in smaller volumes, so that makes it easier to smuggle in. That, along with how relatively cheap it is, means he doesn't think it's going away anytime soon.
All right, thanks so much, Madeline. Also, carfentanyl overdose death was confirmed in our community just this winter. Eberlein says because of how potent the drug really is, he's surprised we haven't seen more overdose deaths in our community.